We're joined by Darren Fry with Water Street Solutions. Now, Darren, earlier in the show, you made some pretty big statements about whether we're in this bear bull market, this longer term bear market is what you said.
Yes.
What is these market moves that we've been seeing here over the last weeks? Where are we headed now? You mentioned maybe the top was in. Are we sure that that's the case, given all of the weather stuff that we're seeing and plus this conflict with Russia and Ukraine?
Yeah, we have a conflict over there that's really caused logistical problems, and we have a weather situation that looks pretty bullish. But there's no question in my mind that soybeans and soybean oil have made tops. I mean, we're unfolding impulsively to the downside, and so rallies are for selling there. I've had to call a top in those markets. Corn looks okay still. We've seen really good spread activity with July gaining on SEP gaining on Ds, and basis. You know, the basis is so on fire out west and out east. And so it's hard to call a top there. And we haven't had the chart damage in both corn and wheat like we've had in soybeans and soybean oil. So I think some of these markets are still in an upward bias, but definitely beans and oil are looking down.
Some caution flags there, obviously. Now, we've been talking quite a bit of weather here. There is some dryness. The drought monitor showed that through the middle of the Corn Belt. Any chance this reignites some of the conversations and maybe gets those bulls a little more excited?
Maybe for corn, but beans are going to be more of an indeterminate plant, and they're going to make their yield out in August. And maybe we will nick the corn, and corn will have to go higher to ration demand. But if we have good weather, we find out on June 30th we have a lot more acres, or maybe find some more supply in soybeans on that stocks report. I mean, the beans are signaling something is wrong, and we better look out below.
All right, well, it'll be something to watch. Obviously, a pretty dynamic week. We'll continue to track it right here with us. Darren, thank you so much for being here today. We'll be back with more Ag Day coming up in just a minute.
For marketing strategy specific to your operation, contact Water Street Solutions at 866-249-2528 or online at www.waterstreet.org.